Building a fully functional multiple AI assistant app is easier than ever with Bravo Studio and some amazing tools at your fingertips. Let's walk through the steps we use to bring this concept to life, from idea to App Store ready. First, we started by designing our app using Stitch by Google, the free tool that lets you generate app UIs in seconds, just by describing what you want. Next, we imported the design into Figma, where we could fine-tune it and ensure it matched our vision. Inside Figma, we adjusted the design and added the necessary Bravo tags using the Bravo Studio Figma plugin. This step is crucial to make sure all screens and elements are ready to connect with real data and functionality. After that, we prototyped the screens to ensure the app had an effective user flow. A smooth experience is key, especially when managing multiple AI assistants. Then it was time to create the AI assistants themselves. Using OpenAI's assistant capabilities, we set up 4 distinct AI experts: a lawyer assistant, a doctor, a financial advisor, and an IoT assistant to help control smart home devices. With our AI assistants ready, we set up a backend in Xano, which would power our app's dynamic content and logic. To integrate authentication seamlessly, we installed the Bravo Studio Xano snippet, which works perfectly with Kinde to handle user authentication. Then we added the Bravo Studio Multiple OpenAI Assistants Xano snippet. This made it simple to configure each assistant with its own variables. In Xano, we added as many variables as needed, one for each assistant, to keep everything organized and scalable. Back in Bravo Studio, we created an API request in our data collections for each assistant. This step allows us to retrieve each assistant's unique URL that we can then inject into the corresponding web view screen. Finally, we bound each screen's web view element to its matching data point. This ensures each assistant screen loads the right AI assistant when the user interacts with it. And just like that, we have a fully fledged multiple AI assistant mobile app, ready to help users with legal advice, health insights, financial planning, and even smart home control, all in one place. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll show you how to set up RevenueCat to monetize your app and start turning those users into paying customers. Ready to build your own AI assistant app? Bravo makes it possible, faster than ever.